Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have curry chicken and white rice.
Wait.
You couldn't wait?
Curry chicken and white rice.
But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk.
Yeah.
I like chocolate milk.
I know you like it because I love it. You like it. No other. You better like.
What you? Yeah, you're threatening the family member.
We're back. Trying too much my youth. Because I eat out the curry, man.
Curry, nice and dark and lovely.
Let me see before you get it. Because I'm going to start it from early because right now,
Ooh.
curry look nice and dark and lovely. Alright, let me see if I can get a good view for y'all family members real quick. Don't judge me. My zooming ain't that good.
Put up, look. Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I think so.
Wait, did ya see it?
I think so.
Because you said I don't be focusing the food because I'm pulling it back too fast. Let me know if you see it. Alright.
Whoa! That pot!
Hey, pop me up man to the man. She give me enough rice today. I don't know why.
I need pepper bad enough. Guys, I put a half a pepper in here and you would swear I put 5. These peppers, them, you can't predict them. 1 minute they spicy, next minute they not.
These peppers sometimes. Sometimes
Perfect
pepper.
word.
I'm proud.
Curry tastes nice, man.
Curry nice. For the curry lovers, you know?
I'm a curry lover. Curry anything.
Curry chicken.
I want some curry shrimp. Me want next.
And yes, y'all know I'm gonna ask. Before you ask, I'm gonna tell you, yes, they do sell it in a Jamaican restaurant.
What's your?
So I know you're gonna ask. Yeah.
It's spicy. But it's not overly spicy.
It's good.
It's spicy.
Good.
Let me tell you something. Curry, you have to have curry spicy. I don't care what nobody say.
How do y'all make your curry? Whoa.
Honey, y'all wear white too, you know?
I know. Cheap white shirt, my way.
Cheap and clean.
Cheap and clean shirt, my god.
And as you guys can tell from the title, we got mail.
We got mail.
Ooh.
Continuation of yesterday. So now we're gonna see the mail. But wait, first we gotta eat.
We gotta eat.
So I know all y'all nosy people that they're bench watching come over here to come see what we get. Y'all gonna see, but y'all gonna wait. Family members, you know what time it is already. We're gonna eat. They're good.
It's good. If you guys are new, thank you for being nosy and watching us, because we're nosy too.
Exactly.
We love when you guys are nosy because we nosy too. All right.
Talk. And if you're new, we talk about anything. We eat and talk. Whatever comes to our mouth, we talk.
Yeah, man.
We don't have nothing over here. And then you're joining the conversation. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
That's what we do over here.
We had somebody say that we need to just eat. Listen, the Greedy Couple is not your average mukbang channel. You understand?
Exactly.
We chat pure thoughts, aka we talk whatever we want to talk.
Exactly.
Because on a regular day, if cameras are not rolling and Richie and I are sitting down and eating, this is exactly how we are when we're eating off camera. We talk to each other about pure nonsense.
Yep.
So why should we change it when we get on camera?
Period. First that they have spoken. So we're not gonna stop talking and eat. We're gonna eat and talk.
Yes.
That's what we do. Exactly. If you don't like it, to the left, to the left. For real. Family, we got some fresh people that be coming in leaving some comments, but you know what I'm saying? Next time they do that, I want you to attack them for me, family. Yeah, real talk. I bet you didn't come back. You
That's okay.
You want the family to do it? But I mean, I don't have an issue with it, but I'm just saying they're gonna tell us. You know what I'm saying? No, I don't like that. I feel some type of way, son. Real talk, B.
People gonna have everything to say.
I ain't mad. I don't really care.
I know I don't.
I don't mad. I'm gonna be the same. You know what I'm saying?
Because like we said before.
All right with that. Definitely have a secret.
Listen, that curry tastes.
Family, this curry is nice till it's hot.
Pepper do, but it's nice. Like I said before, we're not doing anything that we don't do on a regular day, and we're not gonna change. So
we're not.
if you come over here and you like what you see, we appreciate it. Trust me, you will continue liking what you see because we just ourselves.
Facts.
That's it.
Big facts, first lady. Big facts. I'm drinking, you already know. I ain't even have to show y'all. Yeah. What?
You're drinking tea?
I'm not drinking no tea, no. Juice over full. I don't want to miss nothing.
Ooh.
But we appreciate every single one of y'all, though. On the behalf of that. You know what I'm saying? Keep rocking with us.
Yes.
No?
Ooh.
Keep rocking with that.
Good one. No capping.
Keep rocking us, and remember, we do pop-ups.
We do pop-ups.
We do pop-ups, so be careful now. If you're in our area, you might see us. Don't run now. Okay? Real talk.
I don't have much to say now because the curry here is good.
Curry, nice.
When I make curry chicken, I have to have my leg whole.
Yeah.
I don't like to cut it up.
You like your leg whole, huh?
Because when I cut it up, nobody eats it.
Nope. This is good. That's how curry supposed to look.
It's not that peppery anymore.
It's not that peppery anymore. This is how curry supposed to look. And first, I will tell y'all, our Jamaican family member, they know. For the other family members, first they say, burn that curry. That's why it look like this.
Yes.
Dark.
Yeah.
Relax. Relax. Yeah, it's not even 10 minutes in the video yet. And you're telling us, oh, get to the president and stop talking. We didn't get there yet. Just chill. Everything close. We gonna get there, family. Hold on, family. We gonna get there. Just eat and chill for a little bit. Let us be great. That's the first lady. I don't know what the hell I talking about today, though.
That's what I said. Why you don't think I keep on looking at you? I'm like, what the hell Richie saying? I chop your fuzz.
When I mean that food, I don't care what I'm talking about. Family, no. Yeah.
One thing I don't like though is the peppers them be tricking me because when I smelled it, it didn't smell hot. It's a good thing I only put a half a pepper in it. Cause I said, let me put a half a pepper first.
Yeah.
And then test it out. Man, imagine I put the whole pepper.
Family member getting hungry. That's why I'm not gonna give you a lot today, cause it's very peppery.
It's pepper. But it's good.
Okay? It's pepper, but it's good. Comment down if you're pepper lovers. Let's see.
The curry has such a great flavor.
Wow. Great. Excellent flavor. Man.
Before my mother came, can I napkin, my love? She said, What kind of food is in the freezer? Because I know you guys have food in the freezer.
Yeah. She know the routine.
So when she comes, there's always leftovers, and so right now she have some curry goat in there in the freezer.
Soup.
Oxtail, stewed chicken. I mean, no, stewed peas. I think that's it.
She got a lot. Mama Dukes don't play when she come over here. She clean.
Yeah.
Clean and she go. You know, that's how it is. That's the first thing she asked.
She's excited about the food.
You know, first they tell you that we freeze the food.
Whenever we have leftovers, so we don't waste it. Because you never know when you might have some company and you gotta whip out a quick meal. Our frozen food comes in handy, you know.
And it tastes just like we just made it.
Yeah.
Family, for all of y'all that have plans and you're afraid to go through with it, this is the time. You know what I'm saying? This is a great time right now. Most of y'all sit at home and work at home, right? Yes. Okay, thank you. And you have extra time on your hand. Excuse me. Wow. So all that plan that you had store up, jump on it. You don't gotta tell us, but I know it's bothering y'all. So get to it, okay?
I like when you talk like a boss.
Yeah. Don't wait. The more you wait, the more your mind gonna tell you, nah, I can't go through with it. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do that. But you could do it. How you know you can't do it if you don't try? Okay? If you try, I said this before, it's not failing because you tried. When you don't try now, that's when you fail. But jump now, go do it. Trust me, this is the time.
It's true.
A lot of people is doing that now.
Yeah.
They wanted to do stuff, but now, you know, some states locked down and some. This is a good time to do it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Especially if you're at home.
Yeah.
You know?
I never know they'll come down with all your food so fast. Yeah. I always wanted to come eat with the first lady, you know what I'm saying? But that corona just made it different, you know?
Yep.
I say, you know what? I'm just gonna come enjoy right now. And look, I never know I could do this. I know I eat, but I never know. I mean, sometimes I can entertain too. I'm a good entertainer.
Yeah.
Sometimes I entertain. I like to talk. You know, as y'all know. Yes, Richie. Yeah, you talk a lot. Yes, Miss Jean, I heard you. I heard you over there. Stop. Yes, you too. Yes, you, Charlotte K. And I hear everybody else too. So stop, please. Don't tell me I talk too much. So, listen now, real talk. I never knew I could do this. And look at me now. Look at me now.
That is very true. I can't imagine doing this without Richie. Can't.
Before, when you was doing it, you used to have a lot of guys. They run away that the boss is in town. They bush watching, but it's all good. Keep watching, but I'm here now.
Oh Lord.
But no, real talk, family. You know I play joker, but real talk. Look now. Look what happened. You know what I'm saying? Can't do nothing by yourself. You always need a little push and a little help.
That's true.
So,
The greedy couple was born.
Exactly. Greedy couple was born. You understand? And now we're rocking with it. You know what I mean? And we appreciate y'all again for rocking with us too.
And getting us where we are right now.
Yep.
And I know you guys want to get us even further. And we appreciate that too.
Right. Real talk. But yeah, I remember Pastor Richie said that. I gave you a word of wisdom already right here too.
For real. And so y'all move.
know what I'm saying?
I just ate the neck. The chicken neck. Best part.
Yo, come on, more bite on the cup, you know. Family, that juice tastes so good. I come like, bite the cup. Excuse me.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I ain't got the Rona, son. I ain't got no Rona, B. Family, I'm getting closer and closer thinking about that shot. I'm gonna sign up. So yeah, my mind is basically there. When I put my mind to something and I want to do it, I'm gonna do it.
But you have to wait until you're in the age bracket.
No, I'm not waiting in the age bracket. I could get it now. And it's for anybody. Anybody who is. I never hear about they have a special age.
Yeah, they do.
No, you can't tell me that first age. I get mine. Sorry.
My love. I'm telling you.
Family, is she kidding or she's serious? There's an age bracket for the shot? Let me know.
Age bracket. They're giving it to the elder people first. Then they're giving it to the people. Well, they're giving it to the people who work in the hospital, the doctors, nurses, and then healthcare facilities. And then they're giving it to the elder people. Then they give it to a certain age, and then they give it to people who are younger, and then kids, if kids can get it.
So now I get that for now then.
So you have to wait until either they say it's open to everybody or it's open to your age bracket.
Okay.
I thought that's what it was, to be honest.
Oh.
I can verify it.
Okay, find out because I'm going to do it. So now, what y'all think about that? Y'all going to try to do it now? Because I know a lot of y'all saying y'all not going to do it and see what happens.
My mother and my father, they did it already. So.
Yeah. Mama Duke's good, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So.
I'm full.
So, I'm thinking about that right now. Woo. Let me know what y'all thinking about it if y'all change your mind, because I know y'all might change your mind.
Yeah, that's true. This curry was amazing. The first few bites, I had a little kick to it, but after you eat it for a while, it's not that spicy anymore.
All right. Y'all reach as far. I know y'all waiting to be nosy. So now... Yo, yeah.
Sorry.
What's wrong with you? Too damn crazy, man.
I got excited over the gift.
Oh, you see? He knows you there, yo.
Oh, yo.
You good? Alright. So, family, we're going to clean this up and we'll come right back, okay?
Yeah. Okay, family, we are back. As you can see, we had to clear the air because we have some packages. But before we go, oh, sorry, my love.
Before we get to the packages, you know it, I gotta give you the wow. You didn't even tell me, but I'm gonna give it to you anyway. I deserve it. We waited. Can't wait. All right, family, short and sweet, okay? The happiest people are the ones who make other people happy.
Ooh. Very true.
Remember that. Right, family? All right. Short and sweet today.
Short and sweet.
Back to what y'all been waiting for.
Mr. Lemon full of chat. Okay.
No, my mouth.
So, we got this package from...
Sharon and James Johnson. The continuation of yesterday's video. So if you did not see that video before you watch this video, go watch that video. And you know the continuation, okay? Just don't skip. Watch that video first till you know, because we had a letter and she first stated, I'm not giving you too much.
Yeah, you gotta give them too much now.
Right. So we'll be.
So I'm gonna open up the first one, and again, we want to say thank you very much.
For real.
Okay.
For real.
We appreciate it. We don't know what's in it, but we love it.
We love it already. We love it already. Might you break your fingernail? I'm gonna help you.
You wanna help me?
Hold on. Damn.
It's not.
Oh, you got it? Open up the package I'm working on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Yeah, I love surprises, and I would love to be surprised.
Uh-oh. The dancing now. Yeah, it's a...
Oh! Wait a minute!
The mini.
Whoa! Yes!
The minis.
Sorry, I like to break it.
The mini.
Yes!
I never tried these.
I know. That's what I'm saying. The mini sodas, them.
Let me taste one.
I
got my cup.
Yo!
I'm gonna taste one for y'all now, family.
Yeah.
What we got up in here?
You know we love food too. It's the best thing you do is give us some food.
We appreciate that because I'm gonna drink it off right now.
I'm about to tell you that. Ooh, look how small it is. We see this in the store. You gotta wipe it off. We see this in the store.
I never tried.
But we never buy them.
Let me tell you how it tastes right now.
That's so cute and dainty.
Whoa. Things still come up, man.
You know.
I'm gonna have no clues.
Ooh. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sharon and James Johnson. Oh, what this?
We're gonna drink it.
This one ain't coming out.
Drink it.
Hold on. You can't drink soda. I drink them for you.
Watch it. Make it taste some.
I'm drinking it.
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. And you see.
This right now gonna be the good mixture for the Henny. Thank you.
What Henny?
Don't worry about me. You're gonna get crunk.
You gonna get crunk one night?
Yep. All right.
I like the sound of that.
All right. That's done.
That's done?
Yes. Put on my cover, please.
Okay.
All right.
It tastes it too.
Excuse me for a little bit. All right. It tastes good. How it tastes? I don't want to drip. I never try those mini. I always see them.
It's good.
Good. Don't drink it off. Here you go.
Cheers.
First sip for y'all. Cheers. Appreciate that.
Thank you so much. We appreciate that.
I'll be drinking every day. I'm drinking one in the video.
And open up this one, my
I'm
love.
so excited. All right.
I don't understand why this guy gotta be so dramatic.
Uh-oh.
And what that?
What is this?
Oh, get out of here!
What's that, First Lady?
You don't know what it is? You don't know what it is. You don't know
That's
what it
a
is.
woman?
Guess what? You don't know what it is.
So that's not mine. Let me see what that is. I don't know what that is.
What this is, sir,
What's that? What is that?
is when we're having people come over.
I'm confused.
Okay.
All right, talk to me.
This is an ice mold.
Oh.
So if they're drinking like Hennessy or they're drinking, put this down, my love.
Put it on the floor?
Yeah, put it on the floor, and then you can take this stuff out so people can see your face. Your handsome face. Yes.
They don't want to see my face, man.
Yes.
They try to see
So
me.
what this is that you put the water in and then you put it in the freezer. So if you have like somebody who comes over, or if you want to drink a glass of Hennessy, or if you want to drink a scotch, but you don't want to put a lot of ice to water down your liquor, you take one of this. Remember when we saw the freezer and they sold the ice?
Oh.
The ice made this circle one.
Oh.
Thank you.
See, I don't know that. First lady,
Thank
First lady
you.
put me on something different. I never know that.
So I am going to use this right now, and you ordered this at the perfect time because my mother loves scotch and Hennessy and all that stuff. So I'm gonna make the molds so that when she comes, she's at my sister's house right now.
Yeah.
But when she comes back over here, she'll have an ice to put in her scotch.
I never know about them stuff like that, but we appreciate that. First they're gonna put me one for my ice water on the rocks. That's how I like my stuff. All right.
Gosh.
What we got here?
Thank you.
Oh no, I know that's for me right here. That you don't drink these.
Oh, I'm going over this. Oh! Yes.
I love Gatorade.
Yes.
I love Gatorade.
Yes.
I love Gatorade. Sharon and James Johnson. I love it.
So make sure I get one.
You like it. I love it. Okay? You could get anything, First Lady. What's mine is yours.
Okay, I'm pretty sure you're not
And
sure
what?
about stuff.
Package of 12? This right now, when I'm going in the freezer, right to the work. Appreciate that. Trust me.
Yes.
I love Gatorade.
Yes.
Hold on. All right.
Yeah, man. Yo, you think you have some good stuff.
Hey.
Oh.
Sam's ain't see me no more at Walmart. That's it. It's a wrap for that. Uh-oh.
What's that in here?
Hold on.
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
What is that?
Hold up. Let me see.
Open it.
Present of stars. Oh!
That's nice. That's nice.
Oh my gosh. Wait a minute.
That's nice.
Wait, honey, look.
That's nice.
Look at that.
That's nice.
Look at the packaging. It says Not a day over fabulous.
Wow.
Oh, that is so nice.
We appreciate that. We could drink out of that?
Yeah, what do you mean we? Yes, there's something pink. Come on to him.
It doesn't matter.
Oh,
I still can drink out of it.
gosh, this is,
that's nice.
That's how it looks.
Oh my god. Look at it. 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 Look at it.
That is.
That is
Okay.
nice.
Did you hear me
drink?
say?
You could drink tea in that?
Yes.
Okay.
Did you hear me say that I love mugs? When did I say that? Did I say that?
I don't know. People listen a lot.
Because I do love mugs. This is beautiful.
And the package is nice. I'm keeping that package. That package right there, correct?
Wow, this is very, very nice.
I like that package. I'm keeping. This is nice.
Wow, this is very nice. Oh my god.
Fabulous for a fabulous first lady. This is cute. We appreciate
This is
that.
so nice.
I could drink out of that too, right? You don't have because when you say it's pink. I could drink out of it too. You can have one of my Gatorade.
All right, you can drink out of it. All right.
See that now? I gotta compromise.
All right.
Family, we appreciate that.
Oh.
Sharon and James Johnson.
Yeah, man.
We really appreciate
The
that.
stuff them, man.
Oh man.
Show off
I
the stuff
appreciate
them,
my
man.
Gatorade. Yo.
Thank you guys
Thank you
so much. Wow.
We appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to The Greedy Couple. And if you're new, this is Shanice and this is Richie, aka The Greedy Couple. The link is in the bio, so if you want to, you could do the same, so don't push. There's a lot of time, okay? Go ahead, first lady.
You know, so funny. Vincent asked me. He said, "Mommy, did you order the thing?" He was talking about this the other day.
You see? You read no mind.
That's right. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Thank
you so much.
Damn.
Yeah, read my mind.